Imagine bringing your most complex designs to life with blazing speed and microscopic precision, without the constant troubleshooting. In 2026, the line between professional manufacturing and home creation has officially vanished. Welcome back to Top Home Finds. Today, we are showcasing the top 5 3D printers that are currently redefining the industry through innovative AI integration and unmatched print velocities. Please take a moment to like this video, comment below with your latest 3D project, and subscribe to the channel to support our research. Now, let's dive into the future of home fabrication. First up is the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Here are some of the advantages of Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Advanced plug-and-play automation. The A1 Mini redefines user-friendliness by arriving nearly fully assembled and featuring a comprehensive suite of sensors for automated calibration. Exceptional print speed and precision. Despite its compact size, this printer boasts a maximum print speed of 500 millimeters per second and an acceleration of up to 10,000 millimeters per second squared. Seamless multicolor printing capability. One of its most distinctive features is its native compatibility with the AMS light. Silent operation and intuitive user interface. Designed for home and office environments, the A1 Mini features an active motor noise cancellation system that keeps operating sounds below 48 decibels. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the ELEGOO Centauri Carbon. Here are some of the advantages of ELEGOO Centauri Carbon. High-velocity CoreXY performance. Engineered for maximum efficiency, the Centauri Carbon features a sophisticated CoreXY motion system capable of reaching printing speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 21,000 millimeters per second squared. Ultra-lightweight carbon fiber X-axis, which drastically reduces the moving mass of the toolhead. Integrated AI camera and failure detection. The system includes a built-in AI-powered camera that monitors the printing process in real time. Seamless automated calibration and user experience. The Centauri Carbon offers fully automated bed leveling, vibration compensation, and flow rate calibration. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Bambu Lab P1S. Here are some of the advantages of Bambu Lab P1S. Fully enclosed design for advanced materials. The P1S features a fully enclosed chassis, which allows for consistent chamber temperatures. This is a critical advantage for printing high temperature. High-velocity CoreXY motion system. This printer delivers exceptional speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second and accelerations of 20,000 millimeters per second squared. Native multicolor and multi-material support. A key advantage is its seamless integration with the automatic material system. Advanced cooling and integrated air filtration. The system is equipped with a comprehensive cooling solution, including an auxiliary part cooling fan and a chamber temperature regulator fan. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Prusa CoreXY. Here are some of the advantages of Prusa CoreXY. High-velocity CoreXY motion system. The Prusa CoreXY is engineered around a sophisticated CoreXY architecture, enabling exceptional printing speeds and high acceleration without compromising accuracy. Fully enclosed with intelligent thermal management. Featuring a robust, fully enclosed chassis, the CoreXY provides a stable thermal environment essential for printing technical filaments. Nextruder technology and automated calibration. The printer is equipped with the proprietary Nextruder system, which utilizes a built-in load cell sensor for fully automated first-layer calibration. Seamless ecosystem and long-term reliability. As part of the Prusa ecosystem, the CoreXY integrates perfectly with Prusa Slicer and Prusa Connect for streamlined remote management and monitoring. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the Creality K2 Pro Combo. Here are some of the advantages of Creality K2 Pro Combo. Advanced multicolor and multi-material integration. A sophisticated unit that supports the simultaneous use of up to 4 filament spools. High-velocity CoreXY with active chamber heating. Designed for industrial-level efficiency, The K2 Pro reaches printing speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second with an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per second squared. AI-enhanced precision and failure detection. Equipped with a dual LiDAR sensor and a high-definition AI camera, the printer offers real-time monitoring and automated calibration. Massive build volume with industrial stability, making it ideal for producing large-scale functional prototypes or batch parts. Check the description for more details on this product. That concludes our look at the 5 3D printers redefining speed and precision in 2026. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of our community. If this video helped you choose your next upgrade, until next time, keep creating.